viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel English Tube. In this video, we will write a short and simple speech on International Yoga Day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. Honorable Principal Sir or Madam, respected teachers and dear students. We are all here to celebrate International Yoga Day. A day dedicated to the practice and promotion of yoga worldwide. Yoga is a powerful tool that can transform our lives, bringing balance, peace, and well being. At our school, we understand the importance of nurturing not just our academic growth but also our physical and mental health. Yoga provides us with a holistic approach to achieving this balance. It improves our flexibility, strength, and posture. It helps us manage stress, increase our focus, and develop resilience. On this special day, let us come together and embrace the practice of yoga. Let us experience the power of deep breathing, mindful movement, and relaxation. Let us celebrate the unity and harmony that yoga brings, transcending boundaries and promoting well-being for all. I encourage each one of you to incorporate yoga into your daily lives. Practice it not just on International Yoga Day but as a regular part of your routine. Let us unlock the potential within ourselves and discover the immense benefits that yoga offers. Thank you, and let us celebrate International Yoga Day with enthusiasm and gratitude.